2025 is here and it's time to make it your most powerful year yet. If you're feeling ready to chase your dreams but don't know where to start, you are in the perfect place. In this video, I'll show you how to create a vision board that works like magic, set goals that truly motivate you, and map out a clear, actionable plan to make those goals a reality. So, if you're serious about leveling up, transforming your life, and becoming your best self, keep watching. This new year is yours to own. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another video or maybe a vlog, I'm not sure. Anyways, this is going to be a very special video because it's either gonna be the last video of 2024 or maybe the first video of 2025. By the way, wish you a very happy new year. May this year brings a lot of happiness, a lot of joy, new beginnings and new opportunities for you and as well as for me. So happy new year. So if you follow me on Instagram and if you don't, this is the right time to follow me. This is my Instagram handle, do follow me. सबसे पहले मेरी लाइफ की, मेरी वर्क के जो भी न्यू अपडेट्स होते हैं वो मेरे इंस्टाग्राम की स्टोरीज पे आते हैं. सो मेक श्योर टू फॉलो मी एंड इन केस यू आर फॉलोइंग मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम you would know that I had my eye surgery done few days back, almost I think 16 days back. So finally going into 2025 with a very clear vision, no glasses, no lenses ka syapa. But for now the latest update of my eye surgery is my vision is not very clear right now. It's still bit blurry, like bit blurry, and the doctor told me the surgery I went through may take 3 months to recover, and for the next 15 days more I can't apply makeup, I can't wash my face, I can't do my skincare. I just have to wipe with the wipes they have given. But good part is doctor has given me green light to spend some screen time. अभी तक तो बिल्कुल भी allowed नहीं था. Like 10-15 मिनट per day, ये भी मैं बहुत बता रही हूँ. All I was doing was lying on my bed and feeling so unproductive. But finally I can feel productive. I can do something productivity in my life before entering into 2025. Now the update is out of the way. Let's talk about the new year spirit. For the past 4-5 years I guess I have been consistently making vision board for me, and this year I decided to take you through how I create my vision board, what all things you need, what all material you will be required while making vision board, and maybe I can motivate you as well to make vision board. So for my vision board I turned to Pinterest, my go-to for all the things aesthetic, inspiring and positive. I found tons of motivating and super relatable pictures that really spoke to me. Pinterest is actually amazing for this because it's like a treasure chest of visual inspiration that helps you bring your goals to life. After that, I used Canva to edit all the pictures to fit the exact sizes I needed for my vision board. Since I have a printer at home, I printed them out right there, but if you don't have a printer, no worries. Apps like Blinkit and Instamart now offer printing services. You can upload your images directly through the app and have them printed for you. The best part, you will receive your printed pictures in just 15 to 20 minutes, making it super quick and convenient. So here are all my supplies. ये मेरे पे पुराना कैनवस बोर्ड पड़ा था जिसमें मैंने इस साइड पेंट किया था बहुत टाइम पहले, बट आई एम गोना रीयूज दिस साइड. यहाँ से ये थोड़ा सा ख़राब भी हो रहा है बट इग्नोर दैट. यहाँ मेरे प्रिंट आउट्स हैं, माई सीजर्स, माई ग्लू स्टिक, दिस इज़ अ मॉड पॉच ताकि एकदम सब इंटैक्ट रहे, और ये इसे अप्लाई करने के लिए. एंड देन द स्टिकर्स आई हैव, एंड देन हेयर इज़ माई कैमरा बिकॉज मैं रील भी शूट कर रही हूँ ऑब्वियसली. दो पड़ोसियों से तो मिला दूं. यहाँ रहते हैं मेरे दो पड़ोसी, ये है क्रिस्टल, ये है मिष्टू, और आज हम तीनों के तीनों ट्विन कर रहे हैं ब्लू. वेलकम बैक टू डे 2 ऑफ दिस वीडियो. टुडे वी आर डाइविंग इनटू सेटिंग अवर डिजिटल प्लानर. I have been using a digital planner for almost 2 years now, and it's been a total game changer. I used to rely on physical diaries and planners for everything, but carrying around 3 or 4 different journals just wasn't practical, especially when traveling. That's when I made the switch to digital planning, and honestly, it's so much more convenient. With my iPad, I can keep everything in one place, and the best part, it's fully customizable to fit my preferences and needs. The app I use is Good Notes, which I absolutely love. There are plenty of other apps available on the Apple Store and Google Play Store for digital planning, so you can find one that works best for you. In Good Notes, I have two types of planner. Personal planner, this is for my gratitude journaling and general journaling, anything that's personal. And the second one is work planner. Here I keep track of all my video ideas, posting schedules, important dates, and anything work related. Honestly, switching to digital planning has really simplified my life, and I'm excited to show you how to set yours too. The first thing I'm going to do is add all the birthdays and anniversaries of my loved ones, family, friends, and everyone important so I can remember their special days and wish them on time. To make it easier, I took a picture of my last year's planner where I had all these dates written down. Then I downloaded the picture from iCloud so I don't have to keep flipping through the old planner. It's much more convenient to have it right on my screen, making it super quick to fill everything out. Once that's done, the next step is to write down all the important dates for the year. Festivals, Republic Day, Independence Day, and whatnot. This will help me plan and schedule my content more effectively. Last year, I skipped this part, and honestly, it made things harder. I ended up missing a lot of opportunities to film on time. This year, I'm getting serious about staying consistent and updated. So, I'm taking the time now to get everything organized. To be honest, it's all about setting myself up for success. Welcome to day 3. Since I have been limiting my screen time due to my eye surgery, I am taking things one step at a time. Today's task is to finish setting up my planner. I realized I forgot to add a cover for it, so let's fix that and make it look all Pinteresty with stickers and everything. For the stickers, I downloaded some fun images from Pinterest to reuse as stickers for my cover page. Let's get creative and give this planner a vibe that's totally personalized and aesthetic. Time to make it pop! For the final step in setting up my planner, customizing it to fit my needs perfectly. There are some pages I don't need, so I'll be deleting those. At the same time, there are pages I'll need after every month, so I'll be adding those in. It's all about making sure this planner works for me and keeps everything as organized and functional as possible. To the final task of this video, creating my YouTube intro video for 2025. For this, I'm using the Canva app along with Adobe Premiere Pro to edit and fine-tune the video. It's a bit of a process and will take some time, but it's totally worth it. So sit back and enjoy the time lapse as I put it all together. completely satisfied with the intro video, so I might tweak it or even redo it. But if I decide to keep it, you'll see it in my upcoming videos. Make sure to check them out and let me know in the comments what you think. Did you like it or should I create something better? Because your feedbacks really mean a lot to me. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. I really hope I could motivate you even just a little, and I truly wish that 2025 brings out the best version of you and of me too. Of course, I hope this year brings us all success and that our dreams come true. Personally, I'm excited to see if the goals on my vision board come to life as well. Let's wrap this up on a positive note. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Did you like this video? Do you make vision boards too? And which planner do you prefer, physical or digital? I would love to hear your feedback. See you in the next one. Bye.